To question 17. For question 17, you will have, the table shows information about the properties of four substances, M, N, O, P, and the melting point of M is minus 98, the boiling point 65, the solubility in water is soluble, and it doesn't conduct electricity, and N is the same, minus 114, 78, soluble, does not conduct electricity, O, 661, 1304, soluble, conducts electricity only when molten, P 1085 for the melting point, 2562 for the boiling point. Solubility is insoluble, and it does conduct electricity. So, what does this tell us? So for the first one, right, which diagram shows that process could be used to separate a mixture of substances, M and N. So we know that M is soluble in water. We know that N is soluble in water, right? And so that we cannot use filtration because filtration can only be used for things which are insoluble. So they'll be filtered out from the paper, or the liquid goes down. Chromatography doesn't work because chromatography is only used to break up a compound, but these things is a mixture, they're not a compound, so there's no point using chromatography, right? Because chromatography, the two different aspects are together, they're mixed together, and that's how that one works. Now you're left with two things. You're left with crystallization, and you're left with distillation. Now, with crystallization, you're going to be evaporating off the water, so it's going to be more concentrated, but you won't be fully taking off the water. You won't be separating things out, and also you won't be able to collect the water. The water would be gone, so it wouldn't be fully separated. So that one's off the box. So it has to be the second one, which is distillation. And from what it looks there, it's a simple distillation. So describe the method that could be used to separate a mixture of substances O and P to obtain pure samples. Okay. And so the main step that you'd want to say, the first step that you would say is add water. And add water to the mixture. So you want to add water to that mixture to dissolve substance O. Okay? And then you would want to filter to obtain a pure sample of substance B, and then evaporate on board to distill off the water.